Planning to head to Europe next year? You might want to see this. From 2024, the European Travel Information and Authorization System or ETIAS visa waiver program will allow entry into EU countries for a fee starting from $7.7. It isn't really a visa. It's a system for visitors from countries which don't require visas to enter Europe to pre-register their visits. Those who currently need visas to enter will still need them. Europe is the most visited region in the world and has always been a very popular destination for US travelers. As travel from the US rebounds after the pandemic, visitors should be aware that the rules for entry into the European Schengen zone will soon change. Here's everything one needs to know about the new ETIAS process. The European Union decided to implement this new travel authorization program to protect and strengthen its borders amid mounting terror threats in Europe. By requiring visitors to register, the EU will be able to identify any possible threats or risks associated with travelers coming into these countries before they arrive. The new travel authorization applies to those entering any member country of Europe's Schengen zone. Currently, that includes 23 countries. These are Austria, Belgium, Croatia, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, and Finland. One will also need ETIAS to enter France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Italy, and Latvia. The new rules will also apply for entry to Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Monaco, Netherlands, Norway, Poland, Portugal, San Marino, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, and the Vatican City. While Romania, Bulgaria, and Cyprus aren't currently Schengen countries, they are in the process of joining and will be subject to the same requirements soon. However, there are still many European nations that aren't part of the Schengen zone, mostly in Eastern Europe. That means one will be able to travel to Albania, Andorra, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Georgia, Kosovo, Macedonia, Moldova, Montenegro, Serbia, Turkey, and Ukraine without an ETIAS registration. American citizens as well as travelers from 60 other countries will require an ETIAS visa waiver to travel to any of the Schengen zone countries for short stays once the ETIAS program goes into effect. The list of ETIAS eligible countries includes Canada, Mexico, Australia, and many more. All travelers, regardless of their age, will need their own ETIAS approval in order to travel to Europe's Schengen zone countries. Once the application is available online, it should take only 10 minutes to fill it out. To apply, one needs a valid passport, an email address, and a debit or credit card to pay the non-refundable €7 application fee, which applies to individuals between the ages of 18 and 70. Those under the age of 18 or over 70 will need to have an ETIAS but will not be charged. There are no other fees associated with the program. After one fills out their application online with the personal information on their passport and answers a series of security and health related questions, their ETIAS application will be processed immediately. One will receive an email confirming that their ETIAS has been approved within 96 hours or less. No, one will not need to reapply after each trip to Europe. After one applies for the first time, the authorization will be valid for 3 years or until their passport expires, whichever comes first. They will be able to re-enter Europe multiple times within that 3-year period without renewing it as long as their stay doesn't exceed 90 days within a 180-day period. Those who want to study or work in Europe will need to apply for a proper work or study visa.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.